At Active Plumbing and Air Conditioning, we pride ourselves on offering reputable service at fair prices. We're proud to be a family-owned and operated business, serving Las Vegas and Henderson for over 30 years. Our experienced and certified staff provides both installation and repairs for your residential and commercial needs. Active Plumbing and Air Conditioning technicians are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, including holidays. Our team members believe that your time is valuable. That's why we tell you when to expect us and call if we're going to be delayed in arriving. That's right, our employees show up on time and do the job right the first time. At Active Plumbing and Air Conditioning, we treat your home like our own. Each one of our technicians are friendly and clean. We wear booties in your home and clean up after ourselves when the job is done. We're proud to offer home plumbing and air conditioning maintenance plans to all of our clients. There's no better way to extend the life of your home systems and reduce your electric bills than by being proactive with scheduled maintenance.